Okay, hello, my name is Aaron Upchurch. This is technical brief number 1 for internet programming. My subject is Django. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I want to cover is, what is Django? So Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean design. It's fast, it's easy, and very efficient. It's also a free open source software. It's definitely written in Python, and it follows the MVT and MVC architecture pattern. MVT and MVC are very similar. Model view controller or model view template. Model view are identical. Template is actually what is shown to the user. Django is also a object relational mapping or ORM, which is just a programming technique for converting data between incompatible systems in object-oriented programming. So as I said, Python is the programming language that is used to create the projects and applications along with Django. So the software that is required to build these projects are pip, Python, and Django. Pip is a package management system. It installs the software packages that Python will use to create these applications or projects. So some of the big name places, websites that we recognize where Django is used is Instagram, Pinterest, and Mozilla. These three websites are the leading, the heaviest Django used websites. So I also want to show you the website. This is where I got most of my information. It has a lot of good information on this framework. A lot of information on this. Also download, you can download pip, Python. It actually takes you to their websites to do that. So to install this software, first thing you have to do is come and get Python. And Python is a open source, free. You can download it. I downloaded 2.7.10 because I knew it was compatible with the Django 1.8.5, which is the latest version. So Python installs just like anything, has an installer, you follow the prompts, very simple. The next thing you have to do is come to this pip readthedocuments.org and grab this file. You can save this to your desktop and then install it along with the Django in a command prompt. So first thing you have to do is install pip, and that is done by like this. So you want to get into your desktop, so in the command prompt, cd desktop, enter, and then you can type in this command, python get tac pip.py, and that is the command prompt command to go get that file from your desktop and install this pip and the setup tools that Python uses while installing Django. So after you've got all that installed, then you can come up here and you can install a virtual environment, which gives you, this is just a folder that I put on my desktop. So this PIP install virtual environment trundles and installs. This does take a lot of time. That's why we're just going to go back through it. We wanted to make a folder, which I named VENV, on my desktop. So I went to the desktop, created this folder, then executed this with installing the pip and the setup tools. Then I went into the new folder that I just created and activated with this script. Scripts activate what I just created, and here's the path that shows what I have. Once that is created in that folder, we can install Django. Very simple. PIP install Django. It will actually install it automatically. Once that is done, we can come down here, type in python.scripts all the way through and start a project. Our very first project will end up looking just like this. This is automatically created with when Django is installed. So you kind of get a really basic congratulations page. You've created your first Django powered page, so you know that you have Django installed, pip is installed, and Python is installed. So Django is a ridiculously fast, fully loaded, very secure and very scalable and versatile package that is used by many different websites to create many different applications and projects. Thank you for your time.